Hey there, I'm Lauren and this is Jenny. We're two Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Head Over Meals challenge. We're sharing weekly food challenges to inspire you to eat well in the new year.
That's right, Lauren. And this week's challenge is to make yourself a balanced snack.
I think snacking is something that all of us do. I know I do it at least once a day.
Definitely.
And a lot of times, too, we'll substitute snacks even for a meal.
Yes. So it's really important to make yourself a balanced snack. So what that means is making sure that it's something that's portion controlled, and then also including two things, a complex carb and a protein. So complex carbs are great because they have fiber in them.
Yes, so speaking of complex carbs, here are a couple examples. Everything from fruits and vegetables, whole grains are great, so that could be whole grain crackers, bread, tortillas, chips, and even popcorn is a whole grain.
Exactly. And the second part of building a balanced snack is to include some protein. So whether that's something like cheese, so we've got string cheese here, nut butters or nuts, hummus, Greek yogurt, those are all really great sources of protein.
Yes, and the importance of portioning it is to prevent from overeating, but also to pack it ahead of time so you don't let yourself get too hungry where all of a sudden now you're just gonna eat a lot and not feel very well.
Exactly. So go out there and make yourself a balanced snack. We can't wait to see what you come up with.